Holy fuck. Oh shit. My ankle.
So today I've just left Cotrimo and I'm on the way up to Pucón. I'm going to get up to Pucón tomorrow. But before I reach there, I'm just going for a little tiki tour around some of the lakes in Central Chile. And this afternoon I'll be checking out Lago Ranco. That's the lake I'm going around at the moment. And I've just had a look at the map and found like a little peninsula type thing. Have no idea what's out there. So I'm going to take a bit of a gamble. I'm going to head up there, try and find a place to camp the night. And hopefully the scenery is going to be awesome. Let's see what happens.
We got some goats on the loose. What do they got around their necks? Holy fuck. Oh shit. Fucking hell. My ankle. I already had a twisted ankle and I've twisted it more now. Son of a bitch. That loose gravel just completely washed down on me. Fuck. Let's get this bike up. Definitely tweaked my ankle a bit, hopefully it's okay. You can see all the loose gravel just down there. That just completely washed down on me. Okay. Let's just make sure everything's okay here. I'm just gonna get off this corner. Let's put the stand down here and get on the bike. Fuck. Oh, okay. Over that little part there because we're on the wrong side of the road here. Just check up on the bike and my ankle. Handlebars are definitely a bit out of whack, but we can fix that. Okay, so these here have taken a bit of an impact. But they're still on. Scratch there, the old Kiwi badge is still intact. Son of a bitch. Try and straighten these a bit. Let's just check on my ankle here. Because it almost got caught under the bike. I think it kind of hit the ground. Sort of went down like that as the bike spun around. Bloody loose gravel on tarmac is the most bloody dangerous thing when it comes to riding bikes on the road. You don't see it like I did there. Didn't see it at all. Came around that corner. I think it was in the shade a bit. All that gravel, so it's hard to see, and yeah, the bike just washed out. Well, I think my ankle's alright. I actually kind of tweaked it on the hike down from Cochimo when I was coming down the other day. So it was already slightly sprained, and I just sprained it a little bit some more, so it might be swelling a little bit. Yeah, I don't think I've done any serious damage, so that was pretty lucky really. That could have been a lot worse. Whew, okay, well, first proper little crash of the trip really. So I was coming up here and did a full 180 on that loose stuff over there. Holy fuck. So yeah, some loose stuff here. It's coming through. And then where did it all go wrong? Yeah, it's all loose stuff through here. And then yeah, I must have span around in this patch here. Oh, my knee's a little bit sore as well. Probably gave that a bit of a tweak also. Oh man. Not quite the into the afternoon I was hoping for, but let's just go and find a little place to stay the night and I can rest up. Good thing I've got these good sturdy boots on. That's why I wear all this gear, because when you fall off, you want to be as well protected as possible. If you're just cruising around in a pair of jeans or something, you're asking for trouble. I'll be going nice and easy for the remainder of this journey. Oh man. Gravel road's kind of the last thing I want to be dealing with right now, but I've chosen my path for the afternoon. Oh, nearly there, another 5 minutes. I hope this gravel beating has been worth it though. The camping spot I was looking at comes out on the lake down there, so it should be good. Should be good. I can put this sore ankle in the water, because yeah, it is definitely getting a bit more sore now. So hopefully it's nothing serious. See if I can balance it on the line. Jeez, this place is an obstacle course. $25,000, ¿sí? Ah, ok. Para mí, un poco caro, sí. Okay. Gracias. Oh man, it's really expensive. That's $25 for one night's camping. In comparison, I paid last night was $9. So for me, that's just ridiculous for a campsite. So there is one other one. I'll check out that, but man, this detour is not working out so well this afternoon. Change of mind. I couldn't really see where the other campsite, what the situation there was, so I'm just going to head back out to the main road again and find a campsite around one of the main towns.
So I finally found myself a little place to camp for the night. 7,000, which is $7 compared to the $25 that the other place wanted, so far more reasonable. I think I'm all in the clear with my foot, my ankle, which is pretty good. It is a touch swollen, my knee is a little bit sore, but I think it's only a minor strain, so it's about as lucky as I can get out of an unlucky situation. The scenery around here is really amazing as well. I just put the drone up before and got some really nice shots as the sun was going down.